The Agora Opinion 2-button service request device allows for a fast, fun, and intuitive voting process. The solution collects real-time information about your intervention's performance, and the device will generate alerts when satisfaction is falling. Target applications for this device include restaurants, restrooms, airports, grocery stores, hospitals, or anywhere you need immediate customer feedback. The device is rated IP64, uses 3 AA 1.5 volt batteries, and has a resistance for common shocks in case it falls. Included in this package is your 2-button sensor, double-sided tape, and customized survey stickers. Like with all of our devices, you simply scan the QR code to activate the device, and then you can have access to the normalized data using any software or IoT platform of your choice, including your own. The data types for this device include count by button and duration. The device is 11 centimeters in length, has a width of approximately centimeters, a depth of 3 centimeters, and weighs 300 grams. To install and mount the device, simply pull the tab to activate the batteries and peel your double-sided tape. Your device is now ready to be mounted in the area you wish to monitor. The device is pre-programmed to work on any platform. All you need to do is scan it and use it. myDevices provides hundreds of pre-programmed sensors for manufacturers all over the world. To learn more, visit our website. And to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.